So now all the hard work of rough sanding is finished, and now I will put some pâte à bois within the boards for having a very plain surface. You also have some cartouche that you can use with a gun, but I prefer the pâte à bois because you can really better work on it. And I'm doing this now after the rough sanding, because when I'm doing the fine sanding, I will be able to sand as well the juncture between the different boards. For this, it has to be super clean. So I do it twofold. On one hand, I will first of all suck the dust with a vacuum cleaner, and then I will put just a little bit of water to be sure that I got all the dust. It has to be super clean. This time I'm taking soft spatulas. Paste is really excellent, very useful also for closing holes in wood. This may happen, for instance, when you are replacing handles, door handles of a kitchen cupboard, for instance. So you can be generous for filling, because we want these things to be well filled in. And no worries if there's too much, because this will then be removed with a sanding machine, very easy. So you can be generous, of course, not losing too much of the product. And it also will avoid to harm the wood. Now we have to wait 2 hours, but in the meanwhile we can also remove some excess here. This will be less work for the sanding machine. Being careful not to touch the middle. This here is now for 1 hour, and you can see that it's getting hard. So in 1 hour's time it will be perfect for sanding. That's it, my friends. Now the work for repairing the surface is finished, which is bringing us closer and closer of the very exciting moment of the vitrification. But before this, of course, we have to make the fine sanding. So see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV 1.